Stock Market for Beginners Part 2, How to Invest in Stocks. Anyone can invest in stocks basta meron kang stockbroker account. Ano yung stockbroker? Think of the stockbroker as a middleman. Ito'y online platform that holds the key para magkaroon ka ng access sa stock market. Now, there are many stockbrokers with different name from different companies, pero isa lang naman ang kanilang mga purpose, and that is to allow you to deposit or fund your account, buy and sell stocks, and withdraw your money to your bank if you have to. Pag-deposit at pag-withdraw are usually done through local banks. So if you're from the Philippines, this could be BDO, Metrobank, BPI, and others. Stockbroker accounts can be created online. Kahit sino pwede magkaroon nito. All you have to do is go to their website and hit the sign up button. Usually, kailangan lang mag-fill up ng forms and mag-submit ng ID to prove that you really exist. Now, take note, magkaiba ang stockbroker na ginagamit for investing in Philippine stocks and global or foreign stocks. Let me show you some popular Philippine stockbroker nowadays. We have COL Financial, BDO Nomura, First Metro Securities, and BPI Trade. For foreign stockbroker, we have Interactive Brokers and GoTrade.